Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set the day and the time on your Braeburn thermostat in 2026. So first of all, as you can see, this is your Braeburn thermostat interface. So you need to take a look at the front of the Braeburn thermostat, and here you will find this type of day/time button. So on most of the Braeburn thermostat models, this particular button is used specifically for adjusting the clock and the calendar settings. So what you need to do is you need to simply press this particular button once, and the R on the display should begin flashing. So as you can see, it is going to be flashing something like this, indicating that the thermostat is ready for the clock adjustments. So you need to now use these up and the down buttons to adjust the R. Continue until the correct R appears on the display. If your thermostat uses 12-hour formats, just make sure that the AM and the PM settings are also correct. Now you need to press the day and the time button again, and the minutes will begin flashing this time. So again, simply use the arrow buttons to adjust the minutes until the correct time is displayed. Afterwards, again press the day and the time button, and the day of the week will now start to flash on the screen. So again, use the up and the down buttons in order to scroll through the days until the correct day is displayed. Now, once the day is correct, you just have to simply press this particular return button and wait for a few seconds for the thermostat to exit the setup menu automatically. Now, this way the display should show you the correct day and the time, and any of the program scheduled will follow the updated clock settings. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.